All right, I wanted to review these two figs, Panache and this, not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but Pintassilga. These two figs have been phenomenal for me this year. I did a couple of competitions there with Strawberry Verde and Pintassilga, and I felt like Pintassilga came out on top. I also did a competition between the Panache and Col de Dame, which is one of my absolute favorite figs. And this guy, I felt like this guy tasted better. Although my Col de Dames this year haven't been as good as every other year. I'm not too sure why that is. But I figured it would be kind of cool to do a taste comparison between this and this, which have been, both of them are very, very high end on my fig flavors. And we're going to cut them open right now and have a look. Let's just get an idea of the weight. You could see that Pintassilga is much bigger and heavier, but let's get an idea of the weight. Okay, gonna fire up our scale here, and let's start off with our Panache. And I got the quarter there so you can kind of get an idea of the size. And that's 29 grams. So Panache, 29 grams. And this guy is, yep, right in line with usual size, 74 grams. And it's been raining a lot lately, so last night I actually brought these guys into my garage because I didn't want them to split. I haven't actually seen one of these splitting before, but this guy, you could see he began splitting down there. Okay, let's start off with cutting this one open. And beautiful as ever. Okay, this fig, I wish I can get more of these to ripen. Unfortunately, it needs a lot of sunny, hot days and warm nights. And I just don't have that, especially around this time. We've been kind of lucky this year. We've been getting some really warmer than usual weather. But okay. I mean, if you want a meal, whoops, this guy is definitely a meal. Usually got more fig syrup in there on the warmer days, but I'm not seeing as much fig syrup now. Now, mind you, with this fig, it could be a fig that ripens a lot sooner than where I got it from now, because simply this was the very first year it started putting out figs. So it didn't start, I didn't start seeing figs until later on in the season. So it could very well be that next year, since it's already started putting on figs, we'll see the figs developing on there a lot sooner, in which case we'll be getting figs a lot sooner as well. Like my Strawberry Verde developed figs way before this guy started putting on figs, and here they are ripening at the same time. The downside to that is it could be that this variety simply needs a lot of time in the spring before it decides to start putting on figs. So obviously that's not as good. All right, so we're gonna try these. We're gonna get the wife to try as well. So here you go. Here's our delicious Pintassilga fig, ripened last night in the garage, I guess. Fantastic fig. Still amazing. Sweet, juicy, big.
Wow, this is really good.
Good fig.
Really yummy.
All right. And here is our panache.
Okay.
There's panache. I know the wife loves panache. I wish I could get more of these to ripen. What do you think? I think the other one had a little bit more flavor.
It's good. It's really good. Yeah, last
What
time
do you think?
actually.
Last time, the last panache tasted better than this panache.
Really, really good.
But now comparing,
But this one was incredible. That
the Pintassilga
yeah, wow.
was actually really, really good. So, in this particular competition today, Pintassilga takes it.